I grabbed this deer skull from Hobby Lobby for $10.99 with 40% off. Now this is not necessary, but I just decided to add a little bit of a brighter white to the facial area. Once this was dry, I flipped it over and took off the hangers off the back. I found this other board also on sale. I believe it was $7. And I took my Elmer's glue, wood glue, and glued the skull to the board. I found these paper embellishments in the scrapbooking section of Hobby Lobby. It's in a coral tone. You can grab any color you'd like. And I gave my skull a crown. I found these beads with random letters at Dollar General for $1, and I am painting over the letter with Wise Owl Antique Villa. I had this adhesive stencil that I grabbed from Hobby Lobby and chocolate from Wise Owl. And using a foam brush, I stenciled the upper part of the dream catcher to my wooden circle on my beads. Guys, if you can't find these beads, you can easily make them. I put the string over one of the horns of the skull, and I took the rest of my dream catcher, the bottom feathers, and stenciled that to the board using Antique Villa and a foam brush. With some hot glue, I glued my beads to the board and made the dream catcher as one. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Go catch us out on YouTube, and for any paint products, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you.